Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I am back again with a pretty cool product. It's for the kitchen. It is this guy right here, and it's sideways because it's so big. This is barely how it fits on my desk right now, and it is the KnifeSaga. It is a 14-piece, 8 razor-sharp chef knives for kitchen with built-in 14-piece AUS 18 razor-sharp knife set. It's Japanese high-carbon stainless steel, set with an ergonomic handle and an acacia wood block. What I like is this packaging. I just wanted to show this first if you can see any of it. Looks really clean, really nice. This thing would be great for a gift set. This could be a great gift if you're thinking about for that special person who delves into the culinary arts. This would be perfect for them, right? So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm going to have to open this. Sorry guys, I may have to explain this. I'm gonna have to open this somewhere else. Okay. Check it out. At the very top of the box, you are important. Really nice. Let's go ahead and open that up. VIP kit. This is really cool. All right. Lifetime warranty. We believe each knife has a life of its own. We offer a lifetime warranty on our products. If you have any issues, please contact us at knifesaga@outlook.com. Thank you all. The brand story. Let's open this up. Signed by Saga. I tell you what, there is a lot of words here. I will hold this out if you want to freeze and read, but there is a story about Mr. Saga, a master dedicated to the arts of knife crafting. Here is the user's manual, and I say users, but user manual. About care and maintenance, basically walks you through it. Don't put it in the dishwasher. You wash it by hand, and be very careful of the blade, of course. And how to use the sharpener. There's a sharpener. Wow. You can place, you know what? Let's delve into this further. Again, you purchase this, you'll get all these guys right here. Another cool fun fact about these knives, they were designed in New York. Ooh. I see there's a little sharpener right on this corner. Let's go ahead and pull this out. This is the wood block, and there is nothing else inside. So this is the guy that you're going to put all your knives in. Makes sense, doesn't it? First thing I notice up here is this little scissor style for the knife sharpener. It's a quick knife sharpener, right? It just straightens out the edge, gives you a good little quick sharp edge. Multiple holes. I'm sure that this is either for scissors or for the knife sharpening. The other type of tool, if it comes with it, you get probably a lot of your steak knives or something of the such here. You do have this really nice KnifeSaga logo on the front of it, and you have large rubber feet on the bottom. Okay, and I like how you can see that the wood grain goes through a lot of this section here. You see that it's nice and wrapped in this wood. Really beautiful wood. Smells nice too. I love the smell of this wood. It's really nice. Okay, we're gonna set this off to the side. We're gonna open these up, put them in the kit, and then we'll take a picture or show you what they look like in the kit. Okay, obviously we know what these are. These are kitchen shears, as they call them. They are not scissors, they are kitchen shears. They are for, wow, and it's got a nice smooth action. That'll cut through some good stuff here. Let's see how well it'll cut. I mean, wow, that was like with almost no effort at all. And you know where they go? They don't go there. They go right there. Okay, so that bigger slot was the slot that holds the kitchen shears that I was talking about. Let's continue on here. Let's start with what I think is probably gonna be the leader of the pack. It's always the big knife. It's the ones you always see people use in horror movies. Ooh. Okay, let's go ahead and let you drop out this way. And it's got these little protective pieces on here. And I like you got these nice little grooves in here. And let us see here. Wow, I just barely. I need this user manual. Putting it back. That is sharp. First knife. Okay, the worst thing you can do is cut with cardboard with a knife. Won't do that again, but wow, beautiful knife. Again, I'm not a culinary expert, but I'm telling you, I like the way this looks. This looks really nice. This should probably go right there. Next guy, you can see the serrated edge here, so this is gonna be right your bread knife. I'm not gonna cut anything more with these. We will cut things with it later though. That will slice right through my hand. I know it would. I'm hoping I do this justice by showing you these guys here, but as you can see, it's got the KnifeSaga emblem on it. It's nice. It's really nice. Okay. This one punched through the plastic protector. That's how sharp this is. There we go. Good sharp. a really good sharp edge on here. I'm sure you go here. Oh yeah, I'm sure you go there. Next knife, this guy punched through. Look at this guy. This is kind of impressive for me, or to me. No, you won't even fit there. Okay, so you're gonna go here. All right, I'll show you guys where all these go. We'll talk about it a little bit later. Let's look at some of these. Oh. Okay, I believe this is a steak knife. That is sharp. That is gonna slice through anything that you put in front of it. I'm telling you. And of course, took me a minute to find it, but I found the sixth one. 6 steak knives, and all very serrated and very sharp. I'm sure if I gave it an opportunity, it would do damage to my finger. You gotta be careful. These things got such a sharp point in them, they'll actually stick into the wood block. And then we have 2 more remaining knives. We'll have this guy right here, and then another even smaller, and I believe this might be a paring knife. Again, I'm not a culinary expert on all these, but you have basically the gamut of every knife that you could probably ever need. All right, let me move this over, see what you guys can, oh, let me turn it around so you can see it this way from the top down view, right? Then you can see, you got your, at the bottom, you got your 6 steak knives here, you got all your other culinary knives up here, your kitchen shears, your other much larger knives, and as I tilt this down a little bit, you can see you have a sharpener right here built into the block. Let me show you here, this way, as you can see, a very, very nice looking and very heavy block of wood and set of knives. Okay guys, all right, so check this out. We've got the knife set all in the got it out here in the kitchen. And again, I walked through all the knives to show you everything that we got, right? We got our steak knives with the serrated edge, which is really nice here. Not necessarily gonna show you cutting those things will do great. You have your paring sets of knives here. You could use that to slice through the carrot here. I got the carrot so we can show you a couple items, but for the most part, as we walk through, again, we have this bad boy, which is extremely sharp. Look at that, nice and easy. And we'll show you how sharp it is, because hopefully, look at that, like a razor blade. Serrated edge, bread knife, right? Okay, and then even more so, what I like is you've got these guys here, and let me again show you just enough with a quick chop, done and easy. Now, while it is a bit moist, let's see how she does on paper. Again, like a razor. And lastly, our favorite knife, obviously, this bad boy right here. Again, how easy is it to chop through carrots like butter? And again, I suck at cutting carrots. I have other family members who cut better, but I mean, it's just easy. Let me dry it off. Again, don't cut yourself, because why? These things are sharp. And how sharp? Once again, slicing right through a piece of paper with nobody's business. So, yeah, really good at chopping any bits of your food. And again, I love these knives. These things are super sharp and they do a great job. So I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time. And, well, I can't put that in here, it's dirty. But I'm out. And did I ever mention I like carrots? So my reward for cutting these up, I get carrots. Now I'm out. Bye-bye.